afternoon and happy Tuesday. It's okay. So I hope you all stay safe and healthy. So for this afternoon, for our lunch, I'll be making a stir-fry string beans with pork and oyster sauce. So first, we have to marinate our pork for at least 30 minutes. So now, let's get started. So now, this is my pork, and in this, we have to put the garlic. So I'm gonna put some garlic here. So garlic and salt, just like half teaspoon of salt. You don't have to put too much because later on you have to put oyster sauce, and then plus soy sauce. This pork, guys, I have 500 grams of pork. Then for the garlic, I have put around 8 cloves of garlic. So now, we have to put oyster sauce. So for me, I'm gonna put just 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. So this is my soy sauce. This will be enough for my marination. And now, for me, for all my marination, meat marination, I always put lemon. Okay, so for this, I will put 1 lemon. So now we have to mix. We have to mix. And just sit aside for 30 minutes. So now my pork marination is ready. So we have to start cooking it. So we put oil. I don't put so much oil since the pork leaves oil because there some are fats. Pork has fats. So we have to wait until it gets hot. Now first we put our onion. This is a chopped garlic. Then onion. I've cut 2 small onions. Or you have big onions, just cut 1. So we have to saute this until translucent. And now the onion changed color now. So next step, we have to put our marinated pork. Just leave it like this, like for 5 minutes. Now after this 5 minutes is over, so this is how it looks like. Okay, all the natural fats has come out. So now we have to put our oyster sauce. So I have here just 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Just 1 tablespoon. Then to mix it again. I don't have to put salt now, guys, because it's already so salty, the oyster sauce. So just leave it like this. And then put little water. And now we put water. Just enough to coat the meat. So now we have to cover it and let in the medium flame until the meat gets tender and cooked. And now we have to check our pork. Okay, this is how I want my pork, just dry. So now, as you can see, I think it's cooked now. So now, we have to put our string beans. Actually, guys, this butternut squash is just an optional. But since my daughter likes butternut squash, so I just add this one here. You have to mix well. Then we have to cover it again until the vegetables gets cooked. So, as you can see, guys, it's cooked. Now this is how I cook my stir-fry string beans with pork and oyster sauce. So now we have to transfer this in a food container or in this one bowl, so the vegetables, it doesn't overcook. And now my stir-fry string beans with pork and oyster sauce is ready. You can have this with rice, but for me, I'm gonna have it with buckwheat.